Well, this is interesting. It says I have a full tank and my estimated mileage is only 180 miles. Great. Alright guys, thanks for joining me in this video, and I have to tell you something, I kinda messed up. So I've been wanting this mod for a while now, saved up a few bucks here and there. I installed the mod, actually videoed a tutorial on the mod and my thoughts on the mods itself, but I accidentally deleted the footage of everything that I did that day. Oh, and that sucked. Apparently I accidentally pushed delete all. Oops, my bad, but that footage is long gone. But just to show you what I got, right here is the Cobb fuel pressure kit and the Cobb flex fuel kit. The rest of the kit is down there. You can't even see it down next to the battery. But yeah, I did a full install tutorial video because it might sound confusing if you've never installed it before, but I did it all at once and totally happy with it right now. I'm only on revision 1 right now, being tuned by none other than Bren Tuning, so they're helping me out. So still on pump gas, haven't had a chance to put E85 in the tank, but so far so good. So hopefully when I get the new revision, or when I get the go ahead to put E85 in the tank, we'll go ahead and do that. You might see it later on in this video, so stay tuned. All right, so today is a special day. We are going to the gas station, and yes, there's a reason why I'm going to the gas station. Car is almost at full empty, and we're gonna do our first fill up on E85. Yes, that is right, and we are here. E85 it is. Okay, so here's the sucky thing about E85. Well, for me actually, is this is 50 miles away. That's each way, so it's 100 something miles each way just to get some good old E85. But that's what you get for living in a small town, right? So there's only like a few stations here in the whole entire state that have E85. That's what sucks. All right, got my jugs all set up, and right now E85 here is $2.90 a gallon. What is E85 in your area? Comment down in the description below. Now it's time to fill up the tank. It was premium unleaded fuel only, huh? Yeah, right. Okay, first drops of E85 are in the tank. Let's see how this does. Let's turn the access port on and let's change some of the parameters on the access port so that we can see our ethanol content once it turns on. So let's change, we know we got good fuel pressure, so we'll change this to ethanol. That's still too bright for you guys, isn't it? Okay, let's change monitor. We're gonna go to ethanol. Ethanol final. There's a glare on the camera, sorry. All right, still says 10. Let's start it up. Let it run for a little bit, and then let's see what the ethanol content comes up to. I was almost empty when I filled this up. Oh, it's starting to rise already. Wow, that was quick. That was really quick. All right, so truth be told, I didn't fill it all the way up with E85. Only put about 6 gallons in there just to start. There was a little bit of regular gas, of course, in the tank, so I don't know what the mixture is gonna end up at. So right now it's at 64, and we'll see what it ends up at, and then we'll go for a little cruise. So I'm on the highway right now, can't really do a pull, and I'll wait till the road opens up just a little bit before I do my first pull on E66. So it's not full E85 as of yet, and keep in mind this is just the base map for ethanol, so I'm not going to get the full effects of the ethanol until I'm fully tuned. So keep in mind, I can already tell right off the bat, shifting at 3,000 RPM, that the car is a lot torquier and a little bit more responsive. So that's a really good thing. Something that I was really looking for when it comes to ethanol. So far, car is running absolutely great. The only thing I'm worried about is the gas mileage. Of course, that comes with the territory of E85. Can't do nothing about that since E85 requires more fuel. But I think the power benefits are going to outweigh the cost. 163. I'm speeding. He came up behind me. All right, we're back at the house, and in that 50-mile drive, holy crap, it used almost it used up more than a quarter tank of gas. But overall, I must say, I'm really loving it. The response is just so much better than regular pump gas. So I didn't really get a chance to do a pull. There was just too much traffic around, and my ethanol content is only at 66. So once I get the ethanol content up, we'll put a little bit more E85 in the tank. We're gonna go ahead and do a pull and do a couple of vlogs, and then we'll send us in to get a new revision. So far, I'm really loving it, even though I didn't really get a chance to really get on it. So got the E85 stored in the back. All 4 of them fit right behind the seats. Now, I do remember when I would do this drive with a WRX, I would fill up with a full tank of gas and come back and still have a full tank of gas at E60. This is something to get used to. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Who the f***'s in my garage?
I'm back.
Say what up, Jeff.
What's up, guys?
Dude, and look at all this stuff that we gotta install.
This is a box from Perrin. They did some custom powder coating for me. So I previously had the cancel lamp covers.
Oh,
set back in to do a metallic gold.
Holy crap, look at that.
Try and get it in the daylight or...
Yeah.
It's got a heavy flake in it. We got all 4 of those. And they sent me an air oil separator kit with the custom gold on there also. Yeah, in the sun it really pops. It's got lots of metallic in there. We got that, and then this box is the rest of the install kit. And this is actually the OEM piece that is powder coated for the vacuum pump cover.
Snap, look at that.
All in the same color. Coolant reservoir.
Sweet, look at that.
The same color. The engine cover. In the same gold.
Dude, bro, that thing is clean, man.
The radiator shroud. And there's the other half. All in the gold finish. I don't know if this is gonna be a production color for them. And talking to Perrin, there's another box on the way.
Oh, there is?
Yeah. The matching gold strut tower bar.
Check that out, that is freaking amazing. Look at the quality on that.
It is very nice powder coating.
But this is all stuff that's relatively easy to install though.
It is, yes. With the exception of the air oil separator. That'll take a little bit more time, but...
Looks like we got some work to do.
We do, definitely. Oh no, it's a little tiny guy. You got 210 Torx?
I don't know.
The little tiny one. Yeah, but the engine cover has to come off to change that, so. Oh, whatever. You can throw cancel lamp covers on.
No?
And then strut tower bar.
That's easy.
Yeah.
Easy.
And then, yeah, because I got the thing at home, I can just pull it off, swap that. And...
You ever change the spark plugs in this thing?
Yep.
Oh, thank God.
I did that at like 36,000.
Yeah, just like, you know, the full TGV leads on this is easy to do.
Yeah, it is.
Try that on the fucking STI. Yeah, the full TGV leads probably take us about an hour to do, like literally.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, look at all that red and gold, man. Fucking Niners fan all the way, dude. Alright, we'll do the bottom one first. Alright, there it is. We installed what we could.
So far.
The whatchamacallit? The radiator shroud, engine cover, cam solenoid covers, more stuff on the way. The AOS we couldn't do because we were missing some hardware, but that's easy to do. So the FA engine AOSs are really simple to install, but just time consuming. You'll see, Jeff.
Yep.
Yeah. But we'll change some oil, but you guys don't need to see all that. You get out, right?
Yeah, I can get out.
Cool. Peace.
See ya.
But anyways, let's go log and see how E85 feels. I'm at E75 right now, so not full E85, but close enough. Holy shit! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Man, it is wet. Well, one thing I can say, the ceramic coating is holding up pretty well. Doesn't even look all that dirty, to be honest with you. but it does need a wash. All right, so sorry this video was a little anticlimactic. So I just want to let you guys know that I do have the Flex Fuel Kit installed. Once again, big thanks to Perrin Tuning. A link and discount code is in the description below. Just want to thank them for helping me out with the tune. Once again, I don't know if I mentioned that already in the video because it is about, I don't know, 4 weeks later since I filmed the beginning of this video and I'm just now getting to it. I just got off work, got my work clothes on and everything. But anyways, besides the point. So my plan is to get more mods so that I can get this hopefully on the dyno tune probably sometime later or early next year. So a little bit more mods. I'm not going for a whole lot of power, not big power, just a bunch of power mods that will complement each other. Hopefully that makes sense without giving too much away. But yes, Flex Fuel Kit is here. Like I said before, there is a big torque jump and that is definitely noticeable, although I do have an issue. So unfortunately the tune can't be all too aggressive right now, only because my wideband O2 sensor stopped working. Oh, by the way, about the wideband gauge not working, yeah, check it out. Totally not working. Those readings are definitely not correct. And also, as you can see, my ethanol content up there at the top right is only at E39, almost 40, so we'll just call it E40. So since that stopped working, I am unable, oh, I can't talk, I'm so tired, unable to log the wideband O2 sensor parameters, and so I'm only at about 18 PSI. So once I get all that fixed, then I can hopefully maximize the potential of E85. So that's it for right now. Even though at E40 and E50, it feels absolutely great. I can just imagine what it's gonna be like at E60 to E85. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. More stuff to come. We got some rare parts coming for you. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna say for now. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine.